Assalamu alaikum, dear students of 8th class. It's 27th of July 2020 today, and today we are going to discuss about new chapter of your science textbook, that is chapter number 6. The name of that very chapter is food production and management, and subtopic will remain agriculture. Now before we start, we will take the name of the lesson, that is the food production. Means the producing of food or manufacturing of food. So first question arises here that why we produce food. हम गुज़ा को क्यों तैयार करते हैं, क्यों इसको पैदा करते हैं. What is the need, or we can say what is the importance behind the production of the food. So we produce food. The answer of that very question is that we produce food so that because we eat food. The simple answer of this question is that we eat food. Being living being, we eat food, and for that very purpose, there is need of the food production. So then here arises another question, that why we eat food. At the same time, we eat food so that by eating food, living being remains for our survival, ताकि हम जिंदा रहें. And number second is that we eat food so that we grow, as it provides energy. Energy भी एक है, क्योंकि हमें ताकत देता है, इससे हम बढ़ते हैं. And next one is that it repairs our body parts, for repairs our body organs. So for proper functioning of our body, for smooth functioning of our body, food is necessary for living being. Then there is another question, that is where from we get the food. What is the source of the food? So far as the source of the food is concerned, that हम कहाँ से लाते हैं इस food को, कहाँ से हम लाएंगे. There are mainly two sources of food. Number one is we get food from plants, and number second is that we get food from animals. So plants that produce their own food, they are not dependent as animals. So these plants are called autotrophs. Where from they get their food, in what way, that is another question. But here is also that plants are not dependent, they are called autotrophs, and the animals are heterotrophs because they are dependent on plants. So we get sources of food are plants and animals. From plants, what we get? What kind of food we get from the plants? That is rice, जो हम चावल खाते हैं. Wheat, maize, etc. चाहे सब्जी हो और कुछ हो, जो भी कुछ हम खाते हैं वो हम प्लांट से लेते हैं. और नेक्स्ट वन इज एनिमल्स. From animals we get meat, goat, chicken, egg, etc. So this was about the name of this chapter, the food production and management. Management means so that how we can produce enough food and better food for